Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is cause I'm...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. Today we are going to create a multi-purpose desk organizer. It's going to be all Dollar Tree products. What you will need for this, we're going to need 2 napkin holders, basket, but you're going to need 2 orders of it. Cable ties, another white basket, a paper towel holder, 3 cooling racks, and this flexible cutting mat. And so far that's it. So let's go ahead and put this together. We're gonna get our cooling rack and we're gonna have to manipulate these into position. We're gonna be bending this part here. Let's put that aside. Let's get the other one. We're gonna be folding both of these as well, these 2 ends here. So now you have one of these that's like that, another one like this, okay? And the last one we're gonna fold. And you're gonna fold his one more time. And it's gonna fold like that. You have one that looks like this, the other one that looks like this, and then you're gonna have one like this, just this one fold here. So I'm gonna rotate my camera so you can see a better position and we can just continue where we left off at. So you're gonna need your paper towel holder. So the rack that we bent like this, it's gonna be our first one we put on. So we're gonna be attaching it to this. And get your cable tie and connect these. Put cable ties, put 2 up here, 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 and then at the bottom. Let's go ahead and get our other rack. This one here, the one that sits like this, we're going to be putting it at the back of this. Go ahead and put that on there as well. So I put the other one on with cable ties. One right here, center, and then the 2 bottom, and then the corner there. All right, once you're finished with that, let's go ahead and put the last one on there. You're gonna turn it around, and this is gonna be sitting in the back here. It's gonna look like that. Go ahead and put your cable ties on there too. You should have all the cooling racks in position. It should look like that now. Let's go ahead and put our 2 napkin holders. Put it right at the top here. Do right here. Let's go ahead and do that. Napkin holder should be nice and firmly in there. Put here in the middle, the back, the 2 backs, and 2 top, yeah. All right, let's go ahead and get our basket. So we're gonna need the smaller basket. These are gonna be going inside of here. We're gonna put it right in here. It's gonna sit like that. You can cable tie these. These are snugged and they're pretty good. They'll cable tie them just so that they won't be moving in the out of position. Just right here and maybe right here. If you want, you can put one right here, but it's not necessary. Just get the back. And after that, after you finish putting cable tie on those, you're gonna put these 2 at the top here. Okay, and cable tie that up there too. I didn't finish this because I want to show you what I'm going to do to elevate this so it can be stable and sturdy. And you see how it leans down? And nothing's wrong with that. You can still put things inside of there, but I don't like the leaning down. I want it to be up like that. And so I'm going to put a cable tie right in between the basket right here, between the hooks, and then on top of the napkin holder. You know, connected together so it can stand up higher like that. All right? And I just want to show you that. And it sits so much better. Look at that. It sits so much better and sturdier. And I like it like that. So go ahead and do that. And I'm going to put one more in the back here and one more here. And I put two. I put one here and one there. And one right in the center here. And then another one right here. And then afterwards, we can put the other basket in the back here. We put that in place to make sure it's in the center. And then we're going to attach it to here. Should now have every one of them in place. Should now look like that. That was a quick project, and it was very multi-purpose. You can use this for anything, y'all. Whatever you want to put in here, your preference. But I'm going to decorate mine, of course. And then afterwards, I'll show you guys how it looks. Before I go decorating it, this is where your mat comes in, okay? That flexible cutting mat. We are going to be cutting a piece of it out and laying that on top of here. The reason why we're going to lay that on top of here is because if you want to put anything up here, you have a lot of space in between that things could fall out. And so that's why I wanted to use this cutting mat so I can put it on top of here and it can sit there and it can cover that up. Put one right here too. So cut up one for right here. So nothing will be falling through these holes. And those are the only two spots that you need the cutting mat for. And then you can glue it on there. And that's what I'm going to do with these two. And then afterwards, I'm going to decorate it. And then I'll show you the results. Okay, everyone. Here's the results. Let me just spin it around. I'm thinking about putting a Lazy Sue in this. So I think I will do that so I'll be able to rotate it easy. A little bit more smoother than me having to turn it around. So that's something you might want to do. Get a Lazy Sue and put it on here. And I think that'll be perfect. In the back here, I'll just say this is the back and then in the front is the other side. The back here I put some notepads, I don't know, some deodorant, some lotion, just different things, random things in there that I can have on hand. And back here I have some lipstick and tissue and knickknacks inside of here. And there's my cell phone case with my business card. And there's some notebooks back here as well. And this also has some feminine stuff. Basically, if you turn around so you guys can see it. So pretty. I love the way this looks. And so this is the front. And I put some plants up here. I got this from Dollar Tree. It's a mini picture frame. And I just add my own words to it and put some flowers and everything back there just to make it look pretty. I got this beautiful candle from Dollar Tree as well. And I got this picture frame that I'm going to be putting me and my hubby picture in there. And I got that from Dollar Tree as well. And notepad. If I want to jot down anything, I just put it on there. And there's the double pocket holder that we created. That's there. If I want to jot down notes as well. And there's my pen there. And I put my mug there. And I also add my glasses right here. And these hooks I got from Dollar Tree as well. They come two in a pack. Very strong. It holds pretty good. So good quality for the price. And I'll use that to hang my glasses at the side there. And then I also have a sanitizer that I hang at the side here too as well. And so that's the results. They're pretty. I love it, guys. Love, 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 love. One thing I did add to it, if you guys want to go that route, you can. I add some fairy lights to it, and it's just the icing on the cake, and I think it turned out to be beautiful. I mean, it has 3 different motions. You can keep it still as well. And I love it. It's so pretty. Yep. So let me turn it around. Thank you all so much for watching, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.